Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another video of Dillenium Creators, and today I'm going to share with you how can you easily create a watercolor logo design without using the original watercolor. So it's very easy to do. What I'm going to do here, I'm trying to create a similar watercolor texture that seems like original watercolor but it not be the original. So let's start with me now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I will simply create a background layer here and giving it a space grayish color like this. This is not required, but I want to do that. And here what I'm using this pencil tool here and creating a random shape just like this. It will be a the splash of a watercolor texture, something like that I have in mind right now to create. And here you can see that this is the random shape that I have created now. And now what I'm going to do, I have created these stroke colors here, so I'm going to choose that. You can see that these are the simple colors that I have used here with the stroke point around 3 points, and you can see these are the simple pink color. And now what I'm going to do, I will go into the window here, go to the brushes section, and here you can choose the mop brush here. This is the default brush that you can use, and here you can see that how the this shape has been executed after clicking on this. And here you can see that the stroke point is 1, so here I'm going to increase it so you can see that how it will be looking like now. The next thing that I'm going to do, what I want to create a simple texture around the design. So here I have used this pen tool from here and created this, and now I'm going to change the color here. I'm going to use this one, so you can see that how it will be looking like now. And now again doing the same things, like this here, and here you can see that how it would be looking, but here changing the color, this one, or might be this one. So here you can see that how it's looking like now. And again creating another layer here, it's a circular layer. And now what I'm going to do, I will change the color like this and keep it here a little. And now I'm taking the same layer, taking a copy of it. You can create another layer around it, and now change the color to this one. So here you can see that what we have created so far. You can change the direction as well, whatever you want to do, just to create a simple resemblance of the watercolor palette, watercolor design. So here you can see that how it will be looking like now. I want to keep it soft and cool design here. So here you can see that. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm not going to make it a little complex in terms of creating the texture, so because I want to keep the file size down. So here I'm going into the object, and here simply expand appearance, so you can see that how it will be looking like now. The next thing that I'm going to do, I will go into the expand option here, and taking a copy of this, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and go to the window here, choose the pathfinder, and here I am going to unite the layer here. So here you can see that there will be a single layer color like this, and here you can see that the opacity is around 11%, so I'm going to increase it a little bit, so around 50% here. Keep it on a side like here. And now what I'm going to do, I will crop it everything together and bring arrange and bring to front. So here you can see that how it will be looking like now. So these are the simple things that we have created so far. And now what I'm going to do, I will simply reduce the opacity around 30%, or you can increase more if you want. I want to increase this one a little more because the colors are already very soft. So you can see that how it will be looking like now. The next thing that I'm going to do to create a logo design, I am taking this rectangular tool and creating a simple rectangle like this. And here this is the square. So what I'm going to do, I will give it a color like I'm going to give it a gradient color, and go to the metals, and here picking this one, and Now change it to stroke color and remove the fill color from here. The stroke color with 1 point, and here press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to create a copy of this and just reduce it down a little bit like this. So you can see that how it will be looking like. Now if you want, you can increase the the stroke size to make it more prominent, so it will be looking like this. Now the next thing that I'm going to do, go into the object and press expand, so you can see that it will be a the expanded layers. Now I will take this rectangular tool again and creating a simple rectangular bar here in the middle of the square, and just taking here, I want to group this one, and now selecting these two shapes together, the square and the rectangular bar. I didn't select the watercolor texture here, so what I'm going to do, I will take this shape builder tool from here and just dragging this one in this area. So here you can see that how it will be looking like now. And now remove this one, and here you can see that watercolor texture with the middle of the the square. So it will be looking like this now. And the next thing, I want to create a simple text here. This is dillenium, and here I'm changing the font, that is Melinda script that I'm going to use here. Increase the size, so keep it here. Take a copy of this and convert to outline, and here choosing the golden color, and keep it here like this. Adjust it accordingly where you feel it's get more prominent. So it will be looking like this now. And this is Beauty Studio, and here I'm changing normal UI, and with the semi-light option here, increase the character spacing like this, and now going to increase the size just like this. So here you can see that how it will be looking like that. This is very simple, very easy technique to create a simple modern looking logo design just by using the watercolor options or some techniques to create a watercolor texture in Adobe Illustrator. This is not the original color, but we can create something similar or something like that. You can change the color whatever you want as per your requirements. So this is very simple and easy technique that I wanted to share with you. If you want to see how did I create the more watercolor design of the textures, then you can watch my previous video where I shown you the different watercolor texture with different colors. So and that is the option for you to watch. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.